Every sketch tells a story, but what story are we telling? Behind every building and every city block lies a secret of history, but do any of us really know what it is? I'm embarking on the biggest project I've done to date, exploring the hidden history of the city I grew up in, trying to learn the story of where I came from and where we're going. With my sketchbook in hand, I'll take you through a series of plein air sketches looking to discover the history of Omaha, Nebraska. By sketching its historic landmarks, I'm going to go on a journey to discover tales of crime and heroism, tales of victory and tragedy. Will you come along? We're telling the story of Omaha. Subscribe so that you don't miss an episode.